Ever wondered how to sew an elastic waistband that looks clean, no stitches showing, but still feels super comfy? Let's check out this modern sewing trick. It's easy to make and the finish looks totally pro and aesthetic. First, line up the back seams, then stitch a straight line about 1/2 inch. Next, attach the waistband directly to the main body of the pants. After that, slide the elastic band inside the fabric fold, then top stitch from the right side to keep everything neat and secure. Here's a quick tip. Use a right edge presser foot. This one's half-sided, so the stitch lands perfectly in the seam between the waistband and the pants. When inserting the elastic, make sure it stays inside the fold and you don't let it slip out. That's how you get a clean, professional look and a waistband that feels soft and comfy to wear. This method's super popular in casual pants lately. No visible stitches, no tight waistband, just a smooth, comfy finish every time. And yes, it also works for skirts. You'll get a clean and elegant waistband without any extra effort.